Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW i3 key to replace its battery. First, identify if your key is the standard 2-button or the advanced display key. For the standard key, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have these items ready before proceeding. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and is quite easy to do yourself at home. Now, let's get to opening the key fob. Locate the small release button on the side of your key. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. This blade is crucial for the next step. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot inside where the blade was. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot to gently pry open the two halves of the key fob. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. It's a small, round CR2032 coin cell battery. Gently remove it from its compartment, noting its orientation. The positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into position. Test your key to ensure it's working correctly. For a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Oala water bottle link and other deals in the description below. Enjoy your refreshed key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.